Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out the LoRa Wi-Fi 32 expansion kit from Meshnology, which is built around the Heltec Wi-Fi LoRa 32 V4. If you want to skip the unboxing, jump to the timestamp below. And that's it for the unboxing, pretty quick. I do want to mention right up front that there are multiple versions of this kit available. For this video, I am focusing on the one that they sent me. The version I have here includes the touchscreen and the GNSS build. Honestly, that's all you need for Meshtastic. As you saw, the unboxing experience, it's easy, it's clean, it's organized, it's super easy to set up. That matters a lot, especially if you're new to Meshtastic and LoRa in general. The first thing that stands out is the enclosure. You have a tempered glass touchscreen on the front, aluminum alloy sides, and a durable rear cover. It feels solid in the hands and looks modern. This is not a rough prototype style build. Inside the enclosure is the Heltec Wi-Fi LoRa 32 V4. This board supports the 863 and 928 MHz range, so you can push up to 28 dBm, which is exactly what you want for Meshtastic nodes. This gives you strong performance while keeping power usage reasonable, especially if you're planning on running this more portable, like I am. The expansion board is what really ties everything together. It gives you clean connections, proper ports, and room for expansion later if you want. GNSS is standard for this build. It gives you location awareness right out of the box without needing a phone or external module. You also get a LoRa antenna with a SMA connector and a dedicated GNSS antenna. This kit supports a 2800 milliamp 18650 Li-ion battery. Now, the reason why I like this product is because it works as a fully independent Meshtastic gadget. You do not need to be tethered to your phone to use it. With the touchscreen and the built-in GNSS, it's basically everything you would want in a Meshtastic gadget, but all in one clean package. To me, it feels like a great option if you like something like the T-Deck, but you want something a little bit more modern and powerful and more flexible. And something that's very important to me and my viewers on my channel is that this device is very approachable. It's easy to set up right out of the box. You don't have to wrestle with configurations. It's just ready to go. For around $80, I think the price point is more than fair for the hardware that you're getting. For a complete standalone Meshtastic gadget with a touchscreen, GNSS, solid build quality, and good RF performance, the value is absolutely there. Because of all of that, this is why I think right now this is the most beginner-friendly product that Meshnology offers. If you want a Meshtastic device that works on its own, looks modern, and does not get in the way, this is a really strong option. Thank you, Meshnology, for sending out this device. I will leave the links for this device in the description. One last thing before we end this video. I see a lot of influencers out there pushing the idea that Meshtastic is some kind of illegal or criminal tool, and that could not be further from the truth. Meshtastic teaches you the value of off-grid communications in a way that is simple, legal, and accessible. No license required. It is a great way for you to get your foot in the door and start learning how decentralized communication really works. It also opens the door to explore other off-grid survival communication tools. On this channel, I promote compliance, not reliance. Systems will fail. It's somewhere along the way we forgot how to take care of ourselves. We need to understand why safety is an illusion. And starting early next year, I am going to be showing you how to take these devices even further, including how to use them to communicate internationally using something called MQTT, giving these gadgets even more real-world value. Until then, do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.